Hello everyone, this is Arthur again. Today we're going to take a look at this 2007 BMW M5 with a 6-speed manual. It's black with black interior. It does have some nice TPE wheels on it. It does have 150,000 miles on it. It is in very good shape. It came to get a transmission service and engine oil change. Also, we did find a couple of other little things might get addressed. A little coolant leak and a power steering leak from one of the lines. We'll see if we can address it now or another time. Overall, the car looks really nice. Very nice paint. I don't really see any dings or anything. It does have the extended leather interior. The party piece of this car, the 6-speed manual. I like the aluminum trim. Goes around the dash. And the nice leather trimming on the door panels, even on lower door panels, which is very nice. I love full leather interior cars. Had few of them myself, the ones that have a leather dash and all, and I think this is just one of the best to me. There's a nice Alcantara headliner. Does have comfort seats. 151,000 miles. This car has had rod bearings done before. It doesn't have any engine oil leaks at all. Engine looks, it sounds very healthy. See the rear. The leather goes on the back door panels as well as the bottom area. Perforated leather, heated rear seats, sunshades on the doors and on the back. The rear shelf is Alcantara as well, and the front seats are ventilated also. Doesn't have soft close doors. I'm not sure if 07 there was an option or no, but I know some of the later ones you could have had some with those. So we're gonna take a look at under the hood next. Here is the look under the hood. The 5-liter V10, 507 horsepower, 8,250 RPM. Revolutionary engine when it came out for BMW. Very impressive. And the sounds really unheard of previous to that or to any other car, really. Gonna lift it up and take a look at it from the bottom. Okay, let's take a look at the bottom of this 2007 M5. You see the quad exhaust. It does have some aftermarket mufflers. I'm not sure what brand they are. You can see the 3-piece wheels with the valve stem from the back. Looks like there's exhaust cutoffs as well with the valve activation. Here's the other valve stem for the left rear wheel. As we go along, see the exhaust looks pretty standard on this area. See the manual transmission without the SMG nonsense. Straight up 6-speed manual, the same one that comes in an E39 M5s as well. It did just get new fluid in there. Also got an oil change. And it does have a little bit of oil leak. I'm gonna check it out, see where the oil leak is from. It does have coilovers on it, which are hard to see from here, and the car, as you can see, is pretty low. Sorry about that. You see it does have a lip on the bottom, which is pretty low. I had to back up the car because you wouldn't want to clear my lift. And as you can see from here, this is the active diff in the back, and it has the cooling ribs on it, and an X-pipe on the exhaust as well. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. There are more videos gonna come soon.